Adin. Miss Kaya, look up. Just Milks. Let me see and check now. Just Milks. Wala, baby. Just Milks. Okay, I think I found her. She has 4.82 subscribers. Is this her? Okay. Let me go to her video. Oh, this hotel and put baked sushi. Okay. Let me watch her video and I will subscribe. Miss Kaya. Yeah, I think I found her already. But now I have to feed my cat. She's hungry. He's hungry. Hindi na. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I will connect to her, Miss Kaya. Ayan, Kyle. Done na ako ha, baby Kyle. Katie sister, I'm still not done watching yours. Mine. Andyan ka pa ba, mine? I'm done. Done na ako. Also, sis Katie, I'm done watching your video, but I did not comment, okay? But I watched fully. Yan si Shell. Punta ako. Manood ako ng video mo si Shell, ha? Para as my way of saying thank you for coming to my live. Wala kang bagong upload na. 3 months ago pa to. Ito na lang yung Santo Niño Fiesta para medyo mahaba-haba si Shell. Yes, baby. Ha? Okay, hold on. Okay, be. Ayan na, hindi pwedeng Okay na? Okay, sorry guys. My son passed by. He told me to cover my camera. Okay, Miss Kayak, I'm watching her video and I will connect to her after I watch the video. And now, let me try and finish my puzzle. What happened to my... Oh, there you are. What happened here? Something is wrong. That's wrong. Ha? You can put that inside your bag. Hold on. Say hi first. Hey, Miss Kayak, meet my son. There.
The most handsome one.
Meet
Because
my
I'm the only
son,
boy.
Miss Kayak.
Saan? Ito. Ano saan yun?
She is from the US.
Ako, France.
30.
Sampo lang ako sana
40.
ng French.
Go 50.
Nag-aaral ako ng French.
Huwag yan, iaalkansya ko yan, anak.
Isa lang.
No, iaalkansya ko yan eh. Oh, Miss Kayak, did you see my son? She said hi. He said hi.
Kinuha mo ko.
Sorry, I got naiihi ako, baby. You entertain them first. Okay, let me see.
Entertain ko sila gamit ko styrofoam na to.
No, you just...
So guys, styrofoam to, hindi nyo kita.
Okay na, anak. Never mind. Baka maano pa ako, mapalo ako ni Lolo. Joshua, no. Hold on. I really have to go to the bathroom. Naiihi na ako. Na. Meron pa diyang isa. Nandito sa taas ng aparador. Kunin mo. Inumin mo na. Magsaging ka ulit. Miss Kayak, I connected to Just Milks. But I'm still watching her video. Yeah, she's making baked sushi. Okay, next is